Welcome, in front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to set up a fingerprint unlock on this laptop. To do that, open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then select Accounts, Sign in Options, then go to Fingerprint Recognition, click Setup, Get Started. Now verify that it's you by entering your PIN code, and then begin pressing the fingerprint sensor that is located on your touchpad. You can easily spot it. It's a different color and it's a different texture as well. Just press it with the different parts of your finger of choice. And once you all set, you can close this window. Now using Windows L combination of keys, you can lock your device. And now let's test this feature. And as you can see, it works smoothly, and I hope that it does for you too. And if it does, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.